Hello everyone. In this video, we are given grad u is equals to 2r to the power 4 r vector. We have to find u. So let's start. So given gradient of u equals to 2r to the power 4 r vector, we can write grad u part as I cap del u del x plus j cap del u del y plus k cap del u del z, and in the right hand side we can write 2r to the power 4 r vector as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now if we compare both sides, the I cap part and j cap and k cap part, so we will get del u del x is equals to 2r to the power 4 x. We know that r square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square. So if we take partial differentiation with respect to x, it will be 2r del x and equals to 2x, and this part will give 0, its part also 0. So we will get del r del x is equals to x by r. Similarly, we can get del r del y and del r del z. Del r del y will be y by r, and del r del z will be z by r. Now we can write 2r to the power 4x is equals to, let's write it as 2r to the power 5. We have multiplied r and let's divide it by r. So this and this are equal. Now let's replace x by r by del r del x. So it will be 2r to the power 5 del r del x is equals to del u del x. In the next step we can write del u is equals to 2r to the power 5 dr. Now we can take the integration. So it will give us u is equals to 2 r to the power 5 will be r to the power 6 by 6 plus constant. In the next step we will get u is equals to r to the power 6 by 3 plus c. Similarly, we can also calculate del u del y, that will be 2r to the power 4y, and this will also give us r to the power 6 by 3 plus c. So our general solution will be u is equals to r to the power 6 by 3 plus c. So this is our solution. Thanks for watching.